my name's Stuart. I'd like to wish you a warm welcome to Howards Suzuki Weston-super-Mare. Since 1972, Howards Motor Group have been committed to offering exceptional customer service and fantastic products to our local communities. We are delighted to be paired with Suzuki GB, who share many of these values.
Hello, I'm Steffi and I am the Customer Service Executive here at Howards Suzuki. I've worked in the Howards Motor Group for over 3.5 years now, and I'm here to offer advice and product knowledge on all of our range of cars, as well as assist with servicing and repairs.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam. I'm the showroom controller here at Howards Suzuki. Having worked alongside other manufacturers before, I'm now delighted to work alongside Suzuki, who offer a very straightforward and reliable product.
Hi, I'm Jonathan, a director here at Howards Motor Group. We're really excited to welcome Suzuki to our group of dealerships because it marries some of our core brand values, these being reliability, value for money and fun. I'm getting asked by a lot of customers today, what car should I be buying for me for the current climate? The answer is it's different for each of you. So I would recommend coming and seeing one of our sales team, and they can really qualify and understand your needs and requirements and make a recommendation that is right for you.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you soon at Howards Suzuki Weston-super-Mare, where you can meet our fantastic team in person and enjoy the fantastic Suzuki product.